Good Sunday, everyone. This is meteorologist Dave Snyder at the National Weather Service with Alaska's statewide weather. Weather watches, warnings, and advisories are slowing down just a little bit, but the effects of warm air working up the western coast and into the Arctic coast are still among Alaska's weather today. Here's a look at some of the things that we've noticed so far, and we'll talk about the continuation of watches and advisories as we go forward. Over the last 24 hours or so, Fairbanks has had the greatest 24-hour precipitation, liquid precipitation, in February since 1923. About a quarter of an inch of rainfall fell, and that was rain, liquid form that froze on contact there, making that freezing rain for the Fairbanks region. In Homer, an all-time record high was set for the month of February. That was set yesterday on the 21st. It hit 53 degrees in Homer, so a really warm day there. On top of that, Anchorage picked up 0.4 of an inch of rainfall, the most precipitation on that date since 1968, so record rainfall there and most record precipitation. And also, the high temperature was topped on this Sunday, up to 47 degrees there. We'll see how much warmer it gets before the end of the day. In the meantime, looking northward, we have a blizzard watch in effect for the eastern Beaufort seacoast at this point. We'll continue tracking the effects of wind and snow for areas along the eastern Beaufort seacoast, including Kaktovik and Flaxman Island. That'll go from Monday morning into Monday afternoon. Expecting near zero visibility and winds east 25 to 35 with gusts to 50 there, so watch for that. Also, still watching for freezing rain around the lower Koyukuk and middle Yukon valleys. A freezing rain advisory will continue until 9 o'clock tonight. Less than 1/10 of an inch of precipitation is expected there on top of what you may already have. Winter weather advisory also continues until 9 o'clock for the western Arctic coast. That includes Wainwright, Atkinsuk, Point Lay, and Cape Lisburne there. We're looking for visibility down to about a half mile or less, and the blowing snow winds will remain around east to 20 to 30 with gusts up to about 40 miles per hour. Looking ahead into Tuesday, snow showers will continue across the western Arctic coast, the Seward Peninsula, Nome into Norton Sound. Another wave of low pressure working northward across the central and western Gulf will bring another surge of warmer air toward Kodiak Island in the Alaska Peninsula and parts of south central. High pressure tries to shut down the showers across southeast. There will still be some lingering there for the Panhandle, and drier weather is expected for the interior with a patch of clouds and another storm in the western Bering. With Alaska statewide weather, this is meteorologist Dave Snyder. We'll see you again tomorrow.